Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is Fleming's left-hand rule. First finger field, second finger current, third thumb motion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to predict the force on any current carrying wire in a magnetic field. Fleming's left-hand rule tells you the direction of the force on a current carrying wire in a magnetic field. Hold your left hand with the first finger pointing in the direction of the magnetic field, the second finger in the direction of the current, and then your thumb then points in the direction of the force or motion. Three things. 1. All three fingers are at right angles to each other. 2. Use the left hand for the motor effect, and the right hand is used for the generator effect. 3. Reverse current or field, and the force reverses. Reverse both, and the force stays the same. Common slip is getting the hand wrong. Left hand for motors, right hand for generators. Make a habit of it. Examiners love to test which one you've used. Quick example, magnetic field pointing north, current flowing east. First finger north, second finger east. Thumb points upwards. The wire experiences an upward force. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.